All right, guys, welcome back to Crypto Talk. So I wanted to do a quick rundown now that I had a nice bullish breakout, some confirmation. So the last time we had a trigger wave here on the daily, I wanted to point this out. I just did in our Discord groups. We had a nice trigger wave. We went up 74%, from 62 up to 108. We're having very similar scenario currently, and also my Mongo Pro Trader hasn't printed a buy signal since that time frame. So what that tells us is we're back above all of the moving averages bullishly, and we have a lot of momentum thrusting us up. If you also look at the RSIs, they are still a gap, but they're both pointing up. Same thing with the money flow here in the daily. It's starting to pick back up, and you have the momentum wave, which is just starting. So I would suspect this money flow or this momentum wave comes to the 61 mark. Or if we get a big bullish push like we did back here, yeah, we'll go with the 61 mark. So what is 70? Let's go. We have diminishing returns, right? So we had 74% last time. Let's say we had a 50% this time. So bottom here, up 50%. Where does that take us? $145,000. So I've talked about it in previous videos. I'm targeting 114 as the next level, and then back above that's the 125. So this is very bullish. I did talk about an inverse head and shoulders playing out, but we've now invalidated all of that. This is well invalidated. Very bullish market structure in general. And again, this Mongo Pro Trader hasn't had a buy signal since back down here at 62. So I'm super bullish. I think this is the next leg up. And I do like to pull, let's look at this. Bars patterns. Kind of give you an idea what that could look like again. What does that look like here? That could be something like that, right? We had a big dip. This is the beginning of that dip. And it doesn't mean we don't get rejected here, come back down and back test 98, right? And then stair step our way up. And then that's really close to the 150 I just talked about, right? So patterns do repeat themselves. It's psychological, and it's also just programmed in from the algorithm. So this is bullish here. I'll leave you alone with Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking at. I wanted to get online here and kind of talk about that now. It's a nice snow day here on the East Coast. We've got about 8 inches or more on the ground, probably about a foot in total. I took a nice long here on peanut, so I'm up about 45-50% currently. Took profit, I'm at break even. My yellow line down here is my entry level, 72.40. I layered in. I was looking for some bull divs. I got 2 of them, and then the thing just rocketed up with Bitcoin at the New York Open. So I will probably take some more profit if we can get back up here. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm not going to discuss everything. I wanted to run down a couple things here, then hop off. I have kids in the background, so hopefully they don't come barging in any second now. We have a drop here on the Bitcoin dominance, which I keep harping on. Huge drop. I'm looking for that to continue. We did have a big bounce today, but it's probably going to be a dead cat bounce. We have a trigger wave. So this could come up a little bit higher and then look to come back down again. Same thing with the tether dominance. Let's see here. Yeah, tether dominance is showing a double bottom but a rejection. So it's rejecting from local market structure, and it's rejecting from the not just the weekly VWAP but also the 200 SMA. So bullish overall, guys. Wanted to give you a heads up. This could be the leg up we're looking for. Welcome to 2025. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me here at Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blockart Discord, private coaching here on Patreon. You want access to my Mongo Pro Trader. As soon as you pay for 1 month, basically, you get access